Yet another day of snowstorm. Are we loving it? Yes, always. Me and really? It's me and my baby. We're enjoying the snow. Yes, the winter wonderland. What are you doing? Look at him. Don't fall and get hurt. Woo. Beautiful. Ariane, you're missing out. Come out. Come out, you teenager. Want to be inside all the time? Enjoy these moments. Rabu, where are you? Rabani, where are you? But there he is. Ariane's at the window. Let me see. Let me see the lazy bum. Let me see. I don't see him. Where is he? He left? This window or that window? This one or that one? Anyway, where are you? Every time I come out for you, I don't see you. Look at all the footsteps we're making already. Come here. I'm making a U-turn. All right. Idris. Ooh. We just love snow. Oh my God, Iron is out. Didn't I tell you he was gonna come out? I told you he was gonna come out. I knew it. He couldn't stay without us. 10 minutes. 10 minutes away from us. Aru's out. Aru, come out.
Good boy.
Come out. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're all wearing black. Black.
Except
Oh,
him.
come here, Gray. Come on, hurry up. The thing is going on. Why are you bringing tape? Come on. Black and... Oh my God. Start cleaning. Start cleaning. You know... Hey, that looks like a... Oh shit, that looks like a heart. Look, our neighbor. He came out of the house. He turned his car. But from here, it looks like he made a heart shape. I don't know if he really made a heart shape. But that looks like a heart. What are you guys doing? I cleaned the garage the other day. Took me about 3 hours to clean it. And then look at them. They're messing it up. What are you doing? No clue. Yes, no clue. All right, I'm sorry when I called you 13-year-old. So I'm sorry when I called you 13-year-old. Look at this boy. He does not look like 13. Yeah, because the way you're acting right now. 3-year-old. Wait, stop. Do not. Ariane, stop. What's the matter with you? Monkey? Look, we're cleaning and it's filling up. The way it's looking, it's gonna snow harder than this, because we cleaned this place one time and it's already stacking. But we are built, me and my boys are built to face all the challenges that comes in our way, right boys?
Yeah.
Where are my boys? Don't forget, I am my boy's mama. We are built to... Anyway, like I was saying, whatever challenges come in our way, we three together, me and my boys, inshallah, we will face it. Right? We will face it and we will
Bye.